Shot clock. 10 seconds. Sabit sa ilalim, scoop shot. Good for 2. Ebral, running shot using the glass. Offensive rebound. Umikot using the glass. Good for 2. Nakikinig lang. Pass to Sabit. Sabit, sasalaksak yan. Lace up. Ilista mo na yan. 8-2. Telco, Santiago for 3. No good. Putpak yan ni Basilio. Good for 2. Using the ball. Nakuha na nga ni Sabit ang bola. Pass to Santiago. Santiago, accelerate. Pass to Baklang. Good for 2.
I-stand mo na lang.
Ihuli yan. Napasa ni Mr. Sabit.
I-ano mo lang. Paano itaas kaya?
Easy 2 points. Kembal, pull up jump. Good for 2. 16 out. Mat, number 1. Wala. Kick out kay Mr. Sabit. Delivery sa 3. Bang! Sabit! Win!
Tanyedo.
14 seconds.
Ay si ano yan? Julio. Dunday.
Gunday, fresh from the bench. Good for 2. Terus bullet pass kay Gunday. Inista mo na yan. Back to back 2 points. Kick-in sana ni Mr. Gunday. Nangingibaba, umikot. Apa naman? Si Masa ni mga hinahamon ng Arab Knights. Gunday using his body of the glass. Good for 2. Tanyedo. Pull up jump for shot yan. Pero na-convert. Using saging. Bounce pass kay Sabi. Pinalik. Basket count and 1. Basket count foul number 9. What a shot, Mr. Sabit completed a 3-point play. Within 40 seconds. Pass to Sabit. Sabit. Good for 2. Sabit. Coast to coast. Nice speed. Santiago using the glass. Iisang amoy ng dalawa na yan. Under a hit. Sabit for 3. Bang! Sabit. 3. Shot clock is off. Nice move. Good for 2. Gamit na ka ng bola ngayon. Bullet pass natin. Hindi na diniribol yun. Naluhop shot. Ganda naman na yun. Kaya ngayon, Santiago sa 3. Bang! Santiago. Ang bola. Pass to Santiago. Santiago same spot. Bang! Same result. Kita sa Santiago. Santiago sa 3. Pasa pala yun kay Mr. Sabit.
Ano na foul?
3 points. 14 seconds on the shot na. Tolo, pass. Basket count and 1. Okay, basket count. Foul number 9. Illegal use of hand. So the shot awarded. Substitution. Sige, kuhanin nyo na lang. Sa Chaco. Sige, pasok. Kanigang kong Daryl Garcia. Baklang pasok. Alhood shot. Easy 2 points. Astro Santiago, Santiago, nice speed, pero sinausaw muna bago isinubo. Tanyedo. Good for 2. Tanyedo, nice move ni Tanyedo. Good for 2. Hindi na lang si Galon. Maimot. Ganda na maimot. Good for 2 using the nice speed. Number 51, good for 2. Baser na lang yan. Alvarez, take away shot. Wala. Nangingibabaw si Maimot doon. Kay De La Cruz, turnaround shot. Wala. Medyo mahirap yung tip-in yun ni Mr. Alvarez. Tanyedo, bounce pass kay Milan. Using the glass, good for 2. Stop and pop ni Mr. Maimot. Wala. Naando naman si Tanyedo. Scoop shot, good for 2. Shot clock. 10 seconds. Tanyedo, good for 2. Dum-dum. Kick out kay De La Cruz. Shot clock, 10 seconds. De La Cruz kanina pa yan. Back 3 points yan. Santiago, look at the right. Shot clock, 5 seconds. Sabit. Pamatay sunog lagi. Sabit, 3 points. Santiago. Santiago. Running shot. Inista mo na yan. Lanta. Nice speed. Sabit. Palig-ligi lanta. Using the glass. Good for 2. Shot clock, 13 seconds. Lanta for 3. Bang! Ilang